Ahoj.
Back is iced. It's impossible. I thought everything is iced. The water is not, but everything, the solar panel there is iced. And yeah, it was very cold. My friend
Ultra hardcore.
has a ice too, he said, and he said he saw some planes with partisans or
Yes.
parachutists. Ty vole, nás tady zbudil nějaký armádní letoun. Ty kráso. No to tady hlídkuje borec. Asi. Stočil to doleva, možná to je dron, jo. Lítá tady kolem nás, jo. Fakt možná jako. Já nevím. Ty vole, on tam něco pustil. Hovno. Normálně výsadkáře pustil. Tak to jsem neviděl. Hochu. Ty kráso. Tak to byl epic. Normálně, jak bys ohodnotil dnešní noc, Luky? Very cold. Priadam hlavu ven. A je mi zima. No, tam jsou mlžky takový pěkný. Tam vyskočil ten parašutista teď. No, je mokro jako prase, máme úplně provlhlý všechno. Nevím, no. As you can see, here is some ice, so it's minus degrees. But no problem for Lucas.
No problem, only
Only
t-shirt.
t-shirt. And no problem. Normální kapky, no, ale jakoby, když se s tím zahrabe, tak to nic nedělá, no, takže jakoby je to led, nevím, jak bych vám to ukázal jednou rukou, ale je to prostě led. Bylo docela chládek tu noc teda, ještě se to tady snažíme dobojovat, už je 5, tak snad to za chvíli vyjde a zahřeje nás tou srdce. Další důkaz v tom, že trošku je zima, no, tak jako, nevím, ale Lukas to zvládl na bravurno, fajn problém. Jo, ty naše spacáky jsou tak. We found a nice water where we can bath.
30?
Jo.
It's very refreshing for me. The water is here now and the car is coming here. Jo, ono sem jede, vole.
Ty do píči. Was your bed?
Very
Good?
very cold, but it was very nice.
Vidět, jak se tak převlečeš. I don't know how is this spring cold, but it's very nice, I think.
I found some cigarettes on the ground, but remember guys, it's shit, it's not healthy. So, yeah.
We are now going to the Parachatice. It's a very small city. It has about 10,000 people, so it's very small. And
Bro, this road is ultra hardcore, as you can see.
So we place the turf and my friend is very good in it.
Dneska spali tamhle dole v té plachtě. Je to tady pěkný. A jsou tady pěkný kopce, to je zima, kurva.
Eat your breakfast. What is it?
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Found some view tower here, and it's not so big, but still it's very nice. And on this side we cannot see too much, and there is a church or monastery, something like that. There is a, yeah, pretty nice here. There are some firemen here. So right now we are in Vimperk, and we had a very nice pizza here, and it was very cheap. So we bought a lot of food, and now we are going to Kasperské hory. This is the castle Vimperk, and this is my friend Ondra. This one is called that you cannot park here, and also you cannot use toilet here. So yeah, they are very aggressive Czech people, very. Now we bought the mangoes. They are very cheap here now, so, and they are very good. But I don't have any knife, so you have to use your hand. It's quite challenging, but still it's okay. So in the Czech Republic we have a cola, it's called Kofola Original. And I have to say it's the best cola in the world for me, because delicious, it's amazing taste. You have to, when you will be in the Czech Republic, you have to buy it and taste it.
Jo. Můžeš se vybrat, jestli chceš přiblížen nebo...
I'm just bought the ice cream because today it's very hard day. Today it's something like Twister here, but it's cheaper because I'm homeless. Yeah. So some people cut the trees here, and it's not good because there is some mineral water, the water here. I hope there will be both water there because the trees are not here, and when the trees are not here, the water is not here. We are going. Very interesting because the sticks are, I don't know, growing through the trees. And he's listening podcast about the heart.
Tak jsme totálně vyfluslí už, někteří teda. Lítají po mně komáři, tak musím rychle. No a jsme tady na místě, kde bychom chtěli dneska spát. Konečně, je to tady krásný.
So I took some wooden sticks. We need fire today. We have some sausages. Oh. Yeah, I'm going for the next wood.
Okay, it didn't work.
It's very bad wood. Very bad. It's wet also.
Who is very bad? Lucas or Wood?
No,
Lucas! What the fuck is this shit? After 2000 years.
After 1 minute. But it's not firing too much. No, jasný, choď mi to, vole, čurák. my cameraman destroyed it.
It's fucking wood. What the fuck is this wood?
He destroyed the fire. After one camera destroyed my fire, and now I made it again without any paper, so it's very nice. And I am now, fuck, it's still firing, it's good. So now we can take better sticks and much bigger there. Put it there and it will be good. So finally the fire is very good now. We have some sausages. There are bavorské klobásy for grilling, but I don't care. And they are pretty nice. And there is a beautiful view here, so we have a nice mountain there. It's very nice. Well, best technique.
Me some Allah folks quote.
I don't know exactly.
fire need wood. You know?